Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open the Settings app, then go to Sounds and Vibration. From here, just tap on Notification Sound, and from this list, you will be able to select a notification sound which you like. Now, if you want to set a custom notification sound for your Samsung phone, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on Open and select Accept and Continue. Tap on Not Now, then tap on the X icon. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option of ringtones. Just tap on it, then select Notification Sounds from the top. And from here, just select any notification sound which you like. For an example, I will select this one. Now to set this sound as your custom notification sound, just tap on the download icon and select Set Notification. Then enable this toggle, and after that, just go back. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open Settings, now in Settings, just go to the Sounds and Vibration settings and select Notification Sound. As you can see, we have successfully set a custom notification sound on our Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can change the notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.